Welcome to my YouTube channel.
What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Did you sleep well? Yes, I had a good sleep. What are you going to wear today? I will wear my blue shirt and jeans. Have you brushed your teeth? Yes, I have. What would you like for breakfast? I'd like some toast and eggs. Do you want tea or coffee? I prefer tea. Are you ready for school? Yes, I am. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. Where are your shoes? They are near the door. Do you need anything for school? Yes, I need my notebook. Can you help me with the dishes? Sure, I'll do it now. Did you clean your room? Yes, I did. Who is going to take out the trash? I will do it. Can you sweep the floor? Yes, I'll do it in a minute. Have you watered the plants? Not yet, but I will. Where is a broom? It's in the kitchen. Can you fold the laundry? Yes, I'm doing it now. What's for lunch today? We're having pasta. Who is going to cook today? Mom is cooking. Did you feed the pet? Yes, I fed the dog. How was your day? It was great. What did you learn today? I learned about space. Do you have any homework? Yes, I have math homework. Can you help me with my homework? Sure, let's do it together. What's your favorite subject? I like science. Do you want to play outside? Yes, let's go. What movie shall we watch? Let's watch a comedy. What are you reading? I'm reading a mystery novel. Can you tell me a story? Sure. What's your favorite game? I love playing chess. Do we need anything from the store? Yes, we need milk and bread. Where is the grocery list? It's on the fridge. Are we going out today? Yes, in the afternoon. Where is my wallet? It's on the table. What should we buy? We need fruits and vegetables. Can we go to the park? Yes, let's go. How long will we stay out? For about 2 hours. Can we buy ice cream? Yes, of course. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine. Do you have a fever? No, I don't. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I did. Do you need to see a doctor? No, I feel better now. Are you drinking enough water? Yes, I am. Have you washed your hands? Yes, I did. Do you have a headache? No, I'm okay. Let's go for a walk. That sounds great. Where is Dad? He is in the living room. What is Mom doing? She is cooking dinner. Where is my brother? He is in his room. What does Grandma like to eat? She loves soup and bread. Can you call Uncle John? Sure, I will call him now. When is Aunt Mary coming? She will come tomorrow. Do you love your family? Yes, I love them very much. What do you like about our home? I like the garden and my cozy room. Do you want juice or milk? I want juice. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Do you like spicy food? No, I don't like it. Have you finished your food? Yes, I have. What do you want for dessert? I want some chocolate cake. Can you help me set the table? Of course. Where are my glasses? They are on the table. Can you find my book? Yes, it's on your bed. Have you seen my phone? Yes, it's charging. Can I use your phone? Yes, but be careful. How do I charge this tablet? Use the charger in the drawer. Can we play video games together? Sure, let's play. What's your favorite color? I like blue. Do you like summer or winter? I love summer. What's your favorite hobby? I enjoy painting. Do you like reading books? Yes, I do. What sport do you like? I like football. Is it raining outside? Yes, take an umbrella. Do you like cold weather? No, I prefer warm weather. What season do you like the most? I like spring. Is it windy today? Yes, it's very windy. Do you like the rain? Yes, it's refreshing. How was school today? It was good. Do you like your teacher? Yes, she is nice. How was work today? It was a busy day. Are you tired? Yes, a little. Have you taken a shower? Yes, I have. What time will you go to bed? At 9 p.m. Can you set the alarm for tomorrow? Yes, I will. Did you enjoy your day? Yes, it was fun. Are you excited for tomorrow? Yes, I have plans. Can you turn off the lights? Sure. Do you want a bedtime story? Yes, please. Good night. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share.